Only an idiot would burn firewood. Let's find out in today's video why that's a real foolish statement to make. Welcome back, friends, to Build a Lot Acres. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the thought that a lot of people have. Let's be honest. A lot of people in my life have made similar statements to the title of this video. Only fools burn firewood, or you'll get sick of that, or only an idiot would burn firewood, or that's too much work. I think we've all heard these lines. It makes a lot of us firewood burners chuckle. In today's video, let's talk about some of the positives and benefits to burning firewood. So I know for me personally, I've heard this countless times in my life, and I've noticed a few trends. But I've heard everything from, you're going to get sick of burning firewood, or it's not worth burning firewood, you shouldn't burn firewood, only an idiot would burn firewood, all these different things. In fact, my own father-in-law has said in the past with an air of superiority, and if I'm going to be honest, an air of arrogance. He has said things like, you'll get sick of burning firewood, or why burn firewood, it's not worth it. I think we've all heard these things, and I've noticed that most of the time when people say this stuff, they themselves have never actually burned firewood, and if they did, they tried it for a very short period of time. And I honestly believe a lot of them had a bad experience, probably because they didn't know what they were doing. Maybe they were burning unseasoned wood, or they bought wood from a seller and thought it was seasoned and it wasn't. But usually they had a bad experience, they did it for a short time. And I've also noticed, I'm sorry, I have to be honest, a lot of the people that say that are naturally very lazy people. To them, the thought of doing firewood and getting your firewood ready and loading your stove and stacking wood and all that associated stuff that comes along with burning firewood is a huge, huge undertaking to them. And when you're a naturally lazy person, doing that kind of work just to get heat for your home for the winter seems like an impossible task. So with that said, what are some of the benefits to burning firewood, and in my opinion, make it worthwhile to do so? Well, I would say the first benefit to burning firewood is it's a different kind of heat than you get from oil, natural gas, propane, these different things. The warmth that radiates off of a stove and that radiant heat can't be duplicated by other heat sources, just doesn't feel the same. When you sit in front of a wood stove like I am today in a cold, windy day, I tell you what, it's not that cold though. It's probably around 40 to 44 degrees Fahrenheit, but the wind is whipping today and it makes it feel much colder than it is. It just feels so nice sitting in front of this wood stove or in front of a fireplace, if that's what you have. It feels really good having that heat kind of wash over you, and it just soaks into your bones, it soaks into your skin, and it makes you feel really good, and it gives you a level of comfort that you can't match with other heat sources. So I think another great benefit to burning wood is, as humans, it just is in our nature and in our history to burn wood, and it just feels right. There's a sense of comfort you get from fire going all the way back to the caveman days, and for whatever reason, it just feels right burning wood. Watch what happens when I open this door. Fire just draws you in and wants you to come near. And there's a reason people sit around bonfires and campfires and they feel a sense of comfort, even in the middle of the forest in the dark. Something about those flames just makes you feel like everything is going to be all right. So I think another big benefit of heating with firewood is it is a renewable energy source. So if you're the kind of person that really is concerned about your carbon footprint and being good to the earth so the future generations can enjoy the earth, which is a very noble thing to do, wood is renewable. Trees can grow. You can plant more trees. You can't plant more things that make oil or gas or these other sources that people use. So it is a renewable energy source, which I think is a great reason to burn firewood. So I think another great benefit to burning wood, and this is especially going to be true in my opinion for men, is the whole process of getting wood ready for winter. Cutting the trees down, bucking it, splitting it, stacking it. It's great for your mental health and physical health. While you're doing all these different tasks that I just mentioned, especially splitting the wood, really gives you a lot of time to think It gives you a lot of time to, think about life, come up with different solutions maybe to your problems, helps you overcome maybe some mental struggles that you're having. And in fact, that's why I did a video on men's mental health where I chopped wood during the video and I talked about some different things regarding men's mental health. If you want to see that video, please click up here. But I think that is a huge benefit to burning wood, is it's great for your mental health and it keeps you in great shape. So I think another great benefit to burning firewood, and a great reason to burn firewood, has to be without power, a lot of heat sources don't work. You might need either a blower or a fan or a pump to push heat through other systems. If you have something like a pellet stove, you need a blower to push the heat through, otherwise it doesn't work. So you need power to run that blower. If you have oil or gas, a lot of these things need pumps or fans to push oil, to push air, to push heat. With a wood stove, like I said earlier, it's a radiant heat. It just radiates off of the appliance that it's coming from. So even if you don't have power, which here is a very common occurrence, we lose power quite a bit here in the rural area of my state. I'm sure it's the same for other people in other areas. A lot of people that live in urban areas aren't used to losing power frequently, and to them, losing power for half an hour once a year is all they ever see. But I've lost power for a week at a time. I think the longest we ever went without power was, we had a big ice storm back around Valentine's Day a number of years ago. We lost power for 8 or 9 days straight. So I was able to have heat for my house. A lot of my relatives came to my house because they had no heat. It was freezing out. They needed somewhere nice and safe and warm to stay. So guess where they went? The guy that they said was an idiot for burning firewood is now their best friend. So I had a way to heat my house, keep my family safe and warm. I had a way to cook my food. So let's get into that. Wood stoves allow you to cook food even without power. So if you live off grid, maybe in a cabin in the woods, or if you lose power in your house, maybe if you're camping, you have a small wood stove, you have a way to cook your food, which is another big added benefit to having a wood stove. So I think probably the most controversial reason of burning wood is to save money. The reason I say controversial is you could argue that it costs money to burn wood by the time you factor in your time to process the wood, or pay someone to bring you the wood, and then you still got to stack it, you still got to load it, you still got to spend time. Because that is a downside to burning wood, is it is a big time commitment. Flipping a switch for oil isn't very hard and it doesn't take very long. Whereas cutting wood, processing it, splitting it, stacking it, letting it season, all these things do take time. But for a lot of people, they may have an abundance of time, but they don't have an abundance of money. So it just might make sense for the right people. Well, I think that's gonna about do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments, do you burn wood? How long have you been burning wood? I know for me personally, I've been burning wood since I was a little kid. My father had a wood stove, and splitting wood, stacking wood, loading wood stove were chores that me and my brother had since we were little kids. Here we are many decades later, and I'm still burning wood, still heating my home, just like they did in those old days. See you next time.